TE Connectivity's LUMAWISE Endurance and Enhanced Base is a platform for developing and manufacturing street and outdoor lighting controllers, and it reduces the risk in project schedules and the cost of design changes while also streamlining the supply chain and allowing designers to focus their time on value-adding innovation. The LUMAWISE Endurance and Enhanced Base is based on an 81mm TE LUMAWISE base assembly that provides a mating connection to an ANSI C136.41 dimming receptacle. The enhanced base also includes proven power circuitry, including AC power switching, surge protection, and multiple DC power rails. And with multiple enhanced base configurations using the same mechanical design and power and signaling interfaces, the platform enables cost-effective reuse of the control solution design. The LUMAWISE Endurance and Enhanced Base supports voltages across the globe from 90 to 300 volts AC at 43 to 67 Hz. The integrated AC power switching includes a relay designed for use in inrush applications and supports loads up to 10 amps. The enhanced base is available with relays that fail on or relays that fail off to meet different functional requirements. The relay is controlled via 3.3 volt open collector output, and models are available with zero cross switching circuitry to prolong the relay's life. The base also includes a switch mode power supply which uses an isolated flyback topology. This supply provides the control PCB with 3 DC power rails, 24 volts DC for dimming, 5 volts DC for communications, and an auxiliary 3.3 volt DC supply. The base provides ANSI C62.41 6000 volt 3000 amp combination wave surge protection, and an energy metering and monitoring interface provides direct connections to line and neutral, and current measurement across a shunt resistor on the line side of the AC input. This enables measuring energy of both the relay and control solution. To complete the design, TE Connectivity offers covers that seal against the included O-ring, providing IP66 rated sealing, and colored sleeves are available with side or top side apertures to control the direction that light enters the finished design. To learn more about the TE Connectivity LUMAWISE Endurance and Enhanced Base and the time and cost savings it provides to designers, visit Mouser.com.